Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites. Make sure you run Windows 10/11 or recent Mac OS and have the OneDrive app installed. Sign in with the Microsoft account you plan to sync so permissions are established. Once signed in, tell OneDrive whether to mirror your entire account or only certain folders. That choice limits disk use. Make sure you have at least a small free window for initial sync, because the app immediately starts transferring metadata and assessing files for upload. Next, open the OneDrive icon in your system tray or menu bar and choose Sign In or Add Account. This links the cloud to this device. Pick or accept the default local OneDrive folder. Changing it later creates duplicate folders, so choose carefully. Then enable Files on Demand to keep placeholders locally and download files only when you open them. This saves space. Also use the folder selection option to exclude large directories you don't need locally. To finish, confirm the sync status by checking icons. Green checks mean synced, blue spinning arrows mean syncing. Make sure OneDrive starts at login if you want continuous protection, and enable automatic backup for desktop, documents, and pictures if desired. If something goes wrong, pause syncing briefly, verify your internet, then resume. If that fails, sign out and relink the account. This resets credentials and often resolves permission or token errors. Finally, test by creating a small file and confirming it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.